Baby Lime.
Hi guys, I'm here today with our little Love and Snuggles babies. I have 3 of them now. You guys might have watched some of the unboxings, and this is our oldest one. She's Paisley, and I wanted to show you a little bit of difference between them. I knew that some of them came with little pacifiers like this. Like Paisley, she came with a pacifier. These 2 came with little bottles, and these bottles open and you can put liquid in, but they don't actually drink the liquid. But I knew they came with different accessories. So see, these 2 have bottles, which she can use the bottle. See, the bottle works for her, and her pacifier will work for them, like that. But there was also another difference, and actually she came with a blanket, and I'm sorry I forgot to get the blanket for this video, but look guys, she also came with a little bow in her hair that's attached to her head. I'll show you like this. She has a little tulle bow that is attached to her hair, and these 2 have the same hair, but they don't come with a little bow. They all have the same outfit, and they all suck their thumbs or their toes, or they can suck each other's toe. But we'll see if we can make them all. See, they can suck each other's toes like this. So they all have that the same. The only difference is this little attached bow or the pacifier or bottle, which I wish they all would come with a pacifier and a bottle and a blanket, but they didn't. For a long time I thought they were all the same, and I didn't realize that some of them have hair bows and some don't. How do you like it better? Do you like the hair bow or not? I think it looks really cute, but the only thing is sometimes you might not want to wear it, so at least with these you have a choice. Another difference that I actually just now noticed is if you look at the trim on her little bodysuit around her arm, it's different. Like these 2 don't have that. And same thing around the legs, but she's also older, so I don't know if they just stopped making their clothes that way or what the deal is. But they both look very cute. I mean, I really didn't notice till just now. So they both say 2012 on their labels. So the label is the same. Anyway, do you guys have this baby, and does she have a hair bow? Did she come with a pacifier? Did she come with a bottle? And does she have the trim around her arms and legs or not? So we can kind of figure out if only the one that comes with a pacifier has this trim and the hair bow or not. So let me know in the comments below, and we will try to get this all figured out. But anyway, I love all of them the same. They're all very cute, no matter whether they have a hair bow or not. If you like them, please give them a big thumbs up. They're all giving thumbs up. And share this video with your friends. And go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Say bye.